नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, कोविड-19च्या या सद्यस्थितीत आपल्या शाळा बंद असल्या तरी आपले शिक्षण चालूच आहे आणि त्याच अनुषंगाने बृहन्मुंबई महानगरपालिका शिक्षण विभाग व्हर्च्युअल ट्रेनिंग सेंटरच्या माध्यमातून व्हिडिओ थ्रू आपण आज भेटणार आहोत. मी निलिमा कदम, आपली व्हर्च्युअल शिक्षिका. आजचा विषय आपण बघणार आहोत
गणित इयत्ता 8वी, मॅथ्स स्टँडर्ड 8, क्वाड्रिलॅटरल कन्स्ट्रक्शन्स अँड टाइप्स, चौकोनाची रचना व चौकोनाचे प्रकार. चौकोन म्हणजे चारही बाजूनी बंदिस्त असलेली बहुभुजाकृती होय. चौकोनाच्या चारही कोनांच्या मापांची बेरीज 360 अंश असते. चौकोन आपण वेगवेगळे प्रकार चौकोनाचे बघणार आहोत. रोम्बस, समभुज चौकोन, स्क्वेअर, चौरस, काइट म्हणजे पतंग, ट्रॅपेझियम, समलंब चौकोन, पॅरलेलोग्राम, समांतरभुज चौकोन, रेक्टँगल, आयत. तर चौकोन यामध्ये आयत आणि चौरस याची ओळख आपल्याला या अगोदर झालेली आहे. यावर्षी आपण इतर चौकोनाच्या प्रकारांची ओळख करून घेणार आहोत, त्यांचे गुणधर्म अभ्यासणार आहोत. चौकोनाचे हे वेगवेगळे प्रकार आहेत. प्रत्येक चौकोनाचे काही विशिष्ट गुणधर्म आहेत. ते गुणधर्म कोणते आहेत ते बघण्या अगोदर चौकोन रचना कशी केली जाते ते आपण बघणार आहोत. लक्षात ठेवा, every quadrilateral has 4 vertices, 4 angles, 4 sides and 2 diagonals. So there are 12 elements of each quadrilateral. Now see here, vertices, vertex A, vertex B, vertex C and vertex D. So 4 vertices are there. 4 sides, side AB, side BC, side CD and side AD. 4 angles, angle A, angle B, angle C and angle D. And 2 diagonals, BD and AC. These are 2 diagonals. Now total there are 12 elements. So how many minimum elements will be required to construct a quadrilateral? Let's see. Construction of a quadrilateral. To construct a quadrilateral, if the lengths of 4 sides and a diagonal is given. Now here measurement of all 4 sides and diagonal is given. Let's see. Now construct a quadrilateral PQRA such that PQ equal to 5.7, QR is 5.4, PS is 4.5, RS is 6 cm and QS is 6.2 cm. First, try to draw a rough figure so that you can get an idea which is the diagonal and how to draw our figure. PQ is given 5.7. QR 5.4, RS 6, PS 4.5 and QA, so this is a diagonal 6.2. Now in this figure you can see that there are 2 triangles, triangle SPQ and triangle SRQ. So with the help of constructing these 2 triangles, we can get a quadrilateral PQRS. So just go through these steps. What are the steps I have given here? Then I will show you the construction. Draw a line segment PQ of 5.7 PQ. Then with 4.5 centimeter of radius in the compass, draw an arc from point P with P as the center. Now Q, we want point S over here. So 6.2, that is diagonal QS, and Q as a center. Draw an arc intersecting this arc. So this point of intersection will be point S. Join PS and QS. So triangle SPQ will be completed. Now next, QR is 5.4. So with a radius of 5.4 in the compass and Q as a center, draw an arc like this. Now from S, R will be at a distance of 6 cm. So in the compass, take a distance of 6 cm and S as a center. See, you have to draw an arc intersecting this arc. Point of intersection will be R. Join SR and QR. This is a quadrilateral PQRS.
चौकोनाच्या 4 बाजू व कर्ण दिला असता चौकोन काढणे. To construct a quadrilateral, if the length of 4 sides and a diagonal is given. Dear students, construct a quadrilateral PQRS such that length PQ equal to 5.6 centimeter, length QR is equal to 5 centimeter, length PS is equal to 4.2 centimeter, length RS is 6 centimeter, and length QS is equal to 6.3 centimeter. Now first draw a rough figure so that you can get an idea which is the diagonal and the other 4 sides. Now see here, suppose P, Q, R, S. Okay, so PQ is given 5.6, QR is given 5 centimeter, PS 4.2, RS 6 centimeter, and QS, so this is the diagonal QS and it is 6.3 centimeter. Okay, now dear students, see here, with the help of this diagonal QS, we are getting 2 triangles, that is triangle SPQ, triangle SPQ, and the second triangle, triangle SRQ. Okay, so to construct this quadrilateral, we have to draw 2 triangles, means we have to construct 2 triangles. So with the help of this one diagonal, we can construct a quadrilateral, that is 4 sides are given and one diagonal is given. So let's start constructing. First we will draw a diagonal QS 6.3 centimeter. So in this, while in construction, remember the rough figure is very important, so that you can get an idea how to draw and which figure you have to draw first. So first we will take QS 6.3 centimeter. So this is our 6.3, 6.3. Okay, now we will draw this line 6.3 and let's give the name SQ 6.3. Okay, now this is the base. With the base as SQ, we can draw a triangle SPQ. See here. Okay, now in triangle SPQ, SP is the base and SQ is the base and SP is one side and PQ is another side. Now SP is 4.2 centimeters. So in the compass, we will take 4.2 centimeters as distance. 4.2, and with as a center, we will keep our pointer on S and draw one arc like this. Okay. Now PQ is 5.6 centimeter. Again, take a distance of 5.6 in the compass, and with Q as a center, draw a arc like this. Now these two arcs intersect each other, so the point of intersection is P. So we will join this line, that is PS and PQ. Okay, so we have got this triangle SPQ. Okay, now we have to construct a quadrilateral. So one triangle is we have completed. Now another triangle, that is triangle SRQ. Now here base is SQ and two sides we have to draw. So we want point R. So SR is 6 centimeter. So take a distance of 6 centimeter in the compass. Put this metal point as on the point S and draw one arc like this. Okay. Now QR is 5 centimeter. Again take distance Q 5 centimeter in this compass and Q as a center. Draw arc intersecting this arc. Now the point of intersection, it is R. Now join SR, that is RS, and RQ. So this is a quadrilateral PQRS. Now PS is 4.2 centimeter. PQ, that is 5.6 centimeter. QR is 5 centimeter and RS is 6 centimeter. So this is our quadrilateral PQRS. Okay. Now dear students, as you see in this picture, we have completed this quadrilateral PQRS with the given sides. So we can construct a quadrilateral when 4 sides and a diagonal is given. Okay.
पुढचा प्रकार आहे to construct a quadrilateral if 3 sides and 2 diagonals are given. Construct a quadrilateral DEFG such that DE equal to 4.5, EF 6.5, DG 5.5 centimeter, DF 7.2 centimeter and EG 7.8 centimeter. First draw a rough figure. D, E, F and G. Now DE 4.5, EF 6.5, DG 5.5, DF, this is a diagonal 7.2 and EG another diagonal 7.8. Okay. Here also we have to construct two triangles, triangle GDE and triangle DEF. Okay. So draw D 4.5 centimeter with D as a center and radius 7.2. Draw an arc here. Okay. Now EF is 6.5. So with 6.5 of a distance and E as a center, draw an arc intersecting this arc. This will be the point F. Join EF. Now next, So DEF triangle completed. Now GDE. Now with 4.5 centimeter as radius and D as a center, draw an arc from D like this. 5.5 centimeter. DG is 5.5, sorry, here 5.5. Now from E, G is at a distance of 7.8. EG is 7.8. So with E as a center, draw an arc intersecting this arc. The point of intersection will be G. Join DG and GF. Okay, so this is expected quadrilateral DEGFG.
मित्रांनो, आता आपण पुढची चौकोन रचना बघणार आहोत. Construction of a quadrilateral where three sides and two diagonals are given. Now in the last part we have seen 4 sides and 1 diagonal. Here 3 sides and 2 diagonals. 3 बाजू व 2 कर्ण दिले असता चौकोन काढणे. Construct a quadrilateral DEFG such that length DE equal to 4.5 centimeter, length EF equal to 4.8 centimeter, length DG equal to 5.5 centimeter, length DF equal to 5.7 centimeter and length GE equal to 6 centimeter. First we will draw a rough figure so that we will come to know which are the diagonals. Now D, E, F, G. Now DE, this is 4.5, EF 4.8, DG, this is 5.5, DF, so this DF, this is a diagonal, it is 5.7, and GE, this is second diagonal, that is 6 centimeter. Okay, now here you can see that 2 triangles we have to draw. First triangle is triangle GDE. GDE, this triangle. GD 5.5, DE 4.5 and GE 6 centimeter. And second triangle we have to draw, that is DEF. DEF. Let's draw. First for triangle GDE, base 4.5. So here 4.5. Pencil should be pointed, then our construction will be very accurate. 4.5, this is DE. Okay, now DG, that's a GD, we want 5.5. So with help of compass, let's take a distance of 5.5 centimeter in that, and with D as a center, draw an arc. Okay. Now next, we have to draw triangle GDE. Now D is there, we want G point. So to get a point G, GE is given 6 centimeter. Okay. Again, take a distance of 6 centimeter in the compass and E as a center, draw an arc intersecting this first arc. Now the point of intersection, it is G. Now let's join DG. Okay. Now next, don't join GE. Next because we want quadrilateral. Now next, DE is there. We have to construct triangle DEF. I will draw this with dotted lines. Now DEF. EF is 4.8. So 4.8 in the compass. We will take distance of 4.8. EF, E as a center, draw an arc. Now, DF is 5.7. DF. To get a point F, so 5.7 in the compass, distance of 5.7, and D as a center, we will drawing arc like this. So this intersecting point, this, it is F. Okay. Now join EF and GF. See here, we have to join GF to get a quadrilateral. So this is a quadrilateral D, E, F, G. So EF is 4.8 centimeter. This is 4.5. DG is 5.5 centimeter, and GF we can measure it, but here two diagonals, that is DE and DF and GE are given. Okay, so this is the quadrilateral DEFG, where two diagonals are given and three sides are given.
Third type, to construct a quadrilateral, if two adjacent sides and three angles are given. See here, A, B, C, D. Two adjacent sides and three angles are given. Now AB is given 6.4. Angle A is 70 degree, B is 50 degree, C is 140 degree, and BC is given 4.8. These are two adjacent sides and three angles. Now, using a protractor, draw a line making 70 degree at point A in this way. Okay. Similarly, at B, 50 degree, draw a line like this. Now, 4.8 centimeter, that is BC. So, with a distance of 4.8 centimeter, that is radius of 4.8 centimeter in the compass, draw an arc intersecting these. So, this is the point C. Point of intersection will be C. Now, at point C, angle C is 140 degree. So, you can draw 140 degree and it will be line like this. These two lines meet each other, that is a point of intersection will be D. So set your compass of 4.8 centimeter and make an arc from point B on the 50 degree line. This is the point C. Now at point C, 140 degree with the line segment CB, mark the point D where the arc intersects the 140 degree line. So in this way, you can construct a quadrilateral when two adjacent sides and any three angles are given.
Now another construction, चौकोन रचना. या ठिकाणी बघा, to construct a quadrilateral when two adjacent sides and any three angles are given. दोन बाजू आणि तीन कोन दिले असता चौकोन काढणे. In triangle ABCD, length AB equal to 6.4 centimeter, length BC is 4.8 centimeter, measure of angle A is 70 degree, measure of angle B is 50 degree, and measure of angle C is 140 degree. We have to construct quadrilateral ABCD. First draw a rough figure. So this is very important Now A, B, C, D. AB is 6.4 and BC 4.8, adjacent sides. Angle A 70 degree, angle B 50 degree, and angle C 140 degree. Let's start. Now AB 6.4. So 6.4. This is AB. Now angle A is given, that is 70 degree. So with the protractor, and A point here and 70 degree, so this is 70 degree. Now draw a line like this. Okay. Now next, angle B is given 50 degree, so B and 50, here it is 50. Okay. Now we will draw line like this. Don't intersect that line. Now this one. Now we want point C and D. A and B are there. Now to get a point C, BC is given 4.8. So with the help of compass, 4.8 centimeter distance in the compass, with B as a center, draw an arc intersecting this line. Now this is C. Okay. Now this is C. Now next, angle C is given 140. So point C we have got it. Now 140. So 0, 10, 90, 100 and 140 it is here. Okay. Now C and this point we will draw a line, and the point of intersecting this line, it is a point D. So this is the quadrilateral A, B, C, D. So A is 70 degree, B is 50 degree, C is 140 degree, and BC is 4.8 centimeter. So in this way we can draw a quadrilateral when two sides and three angles are given.
This is the same sum, that is two adjacent sides and three angles are given. First you have to draw MO. Again rough figure. First M O R E. MO 5.8. M is given 58 degree. So at O is 105 degree and R is 90 degree. So O angle 105 degree. Next O as a center and OR is given, that is 4.4. You will get this point of intersection. This is R and R is given 90 degree. So draw line like this 90 degree, and M is 58 degree. So when you draw the 58 degree line, this line will intersect each other. That point will be E. In this way you can construct this rectangle, quadrilateral.
तर विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आता आपण इथेच थांबणार आहोत. अशाच काही सुंदर सुंदर व्हिडिओ सहित पुन्हा भेटणार आहोत पुढच्या भागात. तोपर्यंत थँक्यू. घरी राहा, सुरक्षित राहा.